Okay guys, in today's video I've got a real powerful way and a real cool way that you can market Clickbank products and probably make some really good sales. Alright, so you're going to get your cup of coffee, sit back and get ready to see all the details on this video, and I'm going to get you started here right now. Okay guys, welcome back to today's video. Like I said, going to show you a real cool and powerful way here that you can make some money with Clickbank products, and you can use any product you want. I mean, it can be a Clickbank, it can be JVZoo, it can be any affiliate product that you want. This method is 100% free and available from anywhere in the world that you can do this from. Alright. Now, first of all, my name is Kevin Lehner with kevin-lehner.com, and if this is your first time here to my videos or to my channel and you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, just reach down there below right now while I'm talking about it and hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to click the bell so you get notified when I upload new videos, which I do pretty regularly on this channel here. Alright, so with the to-do out of the way, I'm anxious to show this to you. Let's go ahead and get started in on this. And to start right off the bat with, you're going to need to have 3 accounts. I'm going to come over here to our Opera browser, open that up. The first account you're going to need to be is on this site right here, trafup.net. You see it there in the address bar. You need to have an account here on this site. You're going to need to have a Twitter account. Alrighty? If you're an online marketer like me, or you market affiliate products like I do, then you should have a Twitter account. And of course, then the third account you're going to need, guys, is Clickbank, right? Alright, so all of these accounts are free to sign up to. I'm not going to show you how to sign up or anything like that, or how to do that. I'm assuming you guys know that this is very easy to sign up for each of these places, and it's free. Okay, so we're going to come back here first to Trafup and talk a little bit about this. This site, trafup.net, what it is a traffic exchange site. If you don't know anything about traffic exchange site, it's where people will look at your stuff in return for you looking at their stuff, and it drives traffic to their products and their websites and so on and so forth that way. But the only difference with this is we're going to use this site in a powerful way that can really get you some sales with Clickbank products here. So, alright, now let's get on here. You want to come here to trafup.net, and you want to click over here at the top right above my head here where it says sign up. It's free to sign up, and they will send you a email confirmation, just like Twitter will, and probably Clickbank will when you get signed up with them as well. Alright, so make sure you check for that. Check your spam folder in case it goes into there, because you don't want to miss that. And then what you want to do is, once you get signed up on Trafup, you want to come back and get logged in. And if it's just going to let me here. Alright, so I'm logged into my account here on Trafup. Guys, you notice right up here, you see this number here, buy points right here, 540. I want to tell you that you start out with 0 points on this site when you do it, because people will click and do things for you for points, and at the same time you do things for them for points. Like I said, it's a traffic exchange site. Now, the only difference is we're going to use this in a very powerful way here. Now watch. So I'm going to show you later on here how to get these points. You see I've got 540 points here, and I racked those amount of points up, guys, in about 10 minutes here. Alright, now I'm going to show you later how you can do this. Now, what you want to do is we want to, assuming that you have a Twitter account, right? So you'll click on Twitter right here, and I'm going to show you right now how you can get points just with Twitter here. There's other people like you and I that have Twitter accounts, and you can see right here that they have tweets up here, or follow things too as well. So you can earn points. You see that like 50 right here, 50, 50, and 50. So to get points, for example, what you would want to do is click on follow here, and it opens up identify the picture to earn points, and it's orange, and I earned 5 points. Go back to the Twitter section, and then if we click on follow again, it should open up this window here, and you see it's doing a countdown right here. Look where my mouse is at right here. It's doing a countdown. But what you want to do is you want to come over here, click on follow on Twitter. So I'm following this person, and then just wait for the timer to count down. As you see, it's at 14, 13, 12, and it counts down in seconds. When it gets all the way to 0, this window will disappear, and we will have 50 more points up here on the buy points thing right here. And you see it checked. It says thanks right here. You've earned 50 points. And if you look up here, it just added another 50 points to the total that I had just a moment ago. So that's one way that you can get some points there. But I'm going to show you another quicker way here in just a little while. So you want to stick around with me for this whole video, because you definitely want to see the method that I'm about ready to show you right now. Alright, now what we want to do is we've already got a Twitter account. First thing we're going to do is come over to Clickbank. Alright, we're going to choose a product. Again, you can do this with any product that you want. Alright, so I have chosen the e-business and marketing category, as you see right here. I'm going to use this top product right here called Commission Hero. Alright, and if we click on that, you can sort of see what it is right here. It's the free Commission Hero, how to make thousands of dollars online with this particular system here. Alright, so now what we're going to do is we're going to come here to Clickbank, and we're going to click on promote and get our hop link. Okay, this one will have to be pre-approved, so it doesn't matter. We'll just choose another one. We'll just choose this one right here, the 12-minute affiliate system. I don't want to go through that approval process on that product, so we'll just go here. This 12 minutes, you can make $76.68 per sale, and we're going to click on promote here. Actually, I'm going to open it up in a window here, and then so we can see it, because we're going to come back, we're going to use these words right here in our advertisement. Alright, so then we're going to first want to get our affiliate link right here. Click on promote. Make sure that your account nickname is in there. If you want, you can put a tracking ID. It doesn't matter. I'm not going to for this particular example. Click on generate hop link. Get your ugly Clickbank link right there. Copy it. Close it out, and then you want to bring it over here to bit.ly.com, because we need to shorten this thing up. So come over to bit.ly, paste your long ugly Clickbank link in there, and click shorten. Alrighty, and you see it gives us that nice bit.ly link right there. So we're going to test that bit.ly link right now. Like I say, I always tell you guys, test your links to make sure they work before you implement them into your strategy. So I paste and go, and boom, it takes us over where we want with our affiliate link in there, our affiliate ID. Alright, now we're going to leave that there for right now. We'll come back and get this in a little bit. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to come back to Twitter. Okay? Now, you have you've got your Twitter account, you're logged into Twitter. What we're going to do is we're going to click on tweet right here. Alright, and it brings up this window here. What we're going to do is put in our information. It's right here. And I'm just going to copy this right here. Alright, and then I'm going to come back to Twitter. I'm going to paste that right into there like that. And then right underneath of here, I'm going to put my bit.ly link right here. And you see I'm copying that, bring that back over to Twitter, and just paste that bit.ly link right in there. Then what we want to do is to add a little more pizzazz or a little more attraction to this. What we're going to do is we're going to click on GIF right here. And then we're going to keep everything congruent. What we're doing is we're using a money-making program here, the 12-minute affiliate system. So I'm just going to type in money right here. and you see it brings up all kinds of things to do, or little GIF pictures to do with money. Okay, so you can choose any one of these you want. I'm just going to pick one. I'm going to take this one right here of Kim Kardashian, and we click on that, and it puts that in there. And then at that point, what we want to do is we want to click on tweet, right? We'll click tweet. And what that does is that pastes it, right, or tweets it right onto your home page, right on your feed. And then what we want to do is just click on it to open it up. And then you see up here in the address bar, but nevertheless, anyways, in the address bar up here, you see that there's a number right here at the end of my tweet address, right? We want to copy that number. You can see that up there. Probably can't see it, but it's going to be at the end of your, when you clicked on your tweet, it shows you the link to the tweet. And you want to copy the series of numbers at the back of that link. So we right click and copy. And then what we're going to do is come back over to Trafup, and we're going to click on add a tweet right here. See that? And then it says right here, enter the URL of your existing tweet. So we're going to paste that number from the end of that link. If you can see it, it'll look like this link right here. That's what you'll see when you click on your tweet. After you tweeted it on your page on Twitter, you'll see this link right here. So you want to grab that number right there off the end of the link. And that's what I took, and I'm going to paste it right into there. Alrighty? Then what we want to do is we want to set our points per tweet. So in other words, it says 40 to 50 points. More points ensure more retweets. Okay, are you beginning to see the power of this? Now, set it at 50. You could set it at 40, but just leave it at 50. Points per like is optional. I just leave that at 50. Alright, so the more likes that are on it, the more chances for it to get tweeted even more. Alright, and then it says maximum retweet limit. We're going to set that to 50. Okay, and then we're going to select a category for our tweet to be in. And then if I scroll down here, we can select this category here, and you see there's all kinds of categories here. But what we'll put this in, of course, keep it related and keep it congruent with our product, right? So we're going to choose business. And after that, you got your information in there. It's just a matter of submit the details. And then you see that the status is it's enabled. We've got a retweet limit. It shows the tweet right there. It copied it off of Twitter, brought it in, and it's all right. And it'll show you how many retweets that you get and how many likes that it gets. Now let me explain to you the power of this. As these people on this site, which this site, by the way, guys, gets about 135,000 visitors per month. I checked it in, you can look it up too, in SimilarWeb, about 135,000 visitors per month. So when all these people on Trafup are retweeting my Twitter post because they want my 50 points, right, for both a like and a retweet, here's the power of this. That tweet gets retweeted out for whoever tweets it may have several thousands of followers on their Twitter account. Their followers see it, and some of their followers tweet it out, and then some of their followers tweet it out, and followers and followers and followers tweet it out, and on and on and on. Can you see the power of this? If you can see the power of this, I want you to comment down in the comments right now. I see the frickin' power of this. And if you do this method, I want you to let me know how well it works for you. Okay? So now, that's how you do that. That tweet is now, this tweet that I posted is now getting tweeted out all over Twitterland, guys, right now as we speak. So, that is the method. That is how you do that. When somebody, as that gets tweeted out and tweeted out and tweeted out by more and more people, that thing could go viral, and the chances for people to click on your link right there, that bit.ly link, if somebody clicks on that and goes over and it's got your account name in there in that link, and you guys have a chance to make some big money with this particular method. All right, well, that's the method, guys. Now, I told you earlier I was going to show you how you can get more points quick, because you're going to need to keep up with your points, because if you can think about it, at 50 points a pop, when each person does it, it's not going to be long before you're going to be down to 0. So you want to come back every so often, you know, once or twice a day, and re-up your points. So let's see how we can rack up some points pretty quick here. Alright, so we come back to Trafup, and if we come over here and we click on websites, for example, you see all these websites right here. And it's got 50, 50, 50, 50, and 40. And you can refresh the page and come up with even more. So if we click on best, this one right here, in best novels, we click on that. It loads up a window. You see right up here at the top, it's doing a countdown. This is that person's website that they're wanting people to visit, right? Which is what we just did. And you see it counting down to 9 seconds here. And it's counting down 4, 3, 2, 1, and then it loads up an image, and it says right here, please identify the picture to continue. Well, that looks like an image of a flower, so over here to the right you pick a flower, and it says thank you for visiting this website, you have earned 50 points. And if we come back, and you can see that 50 points has been added to my account. So then you just come back and do the next one. Click on the next one for another 50 points. Let it do the countdown. And then once it counts down, click on the particular picture and collect your 50 points. So every so often you want to come back and check this when you got a tweet out there with your Clickbank product or whatever affiliate product you have. You want to keep your points up so that there's enough to pay for all those retweets that you're getting from other folks, right? And it's a car, so we click on car, right? And it says you've earned 50 more points. Then you just come over to the right here on the X right above me, click close, and scroll up, and you see it's added more points there. Alrighty, so that's how you do that, guys. And you can do this with Twitter, retweets, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube. If you guys want to have a YouTube video that you want to get more views to or whatever, come over here to Trafup, put your YouTube video up on Trafup, get you some points racked up, and have people visiting it and getting more views to your videos, and possibly even to your links, your affiliate links in your video, right? A chance to make even more money with that way. It can do it on Pinterest and even SoundCloud, which I believe is a music site or something like that. Alrighty, guys, so that's what I wanted to show you today. If you remember, like I said, if you can see the power in this using Twitter with a Clickbank product, because it's free marketing, and this thing could be a viral thing where a lot of people have an opportunity to see this, and you have a chance to make a lot of money with Clickbank products or affiliate products. Comment down there, this looks powerful, or something to that effect. Okay, guys. Well, guys, if you like this video and you see the power and the value in this, give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button down there and click the bell so you get notified when I upload new videos. And also, if you want to see my #1 recommended business platform, reach down there where you see it, like it says at the top of your video there, where it says mentorwithkev.com. Come on over and check that out. Get signed up on my mailing list and check out what all is available to you if you want to get an online business set up for pretty cheap. About $1 now, guys. It used to be $7. Now it's $1. Alrighty. Well, guys, I'm going to let you go with that, and I'll see you guys again here in a couple of days on the next exciting video. You guys take care. Bye-bye now.